Hello everyone, welcome to this online and digital classroom. My name is Roshan, your geography teacher, and you are here in this channel Learn Geography with Roshan. We are discussing about waste management. We discussed about need for management of waste. We also discussed about methods of safe disposal of waste, and in this video we shall learn and discuss about need and method for reducing, reusing and recycling waste. So without further delay, let's start. Waste generation and its management is becoming a universal problem, especially in the developing countries. People all over the world are looking for more sustainable ways to dispose the waste to save the environment. There are two ways to solve this problem. The first one is to reduce generation of waste, and the second one is to practice reduce, reuse and recycle. These three R's aims to generate minimum amount of waste and to extract maximum benefit from the waste generated or produced. Now let us discuss about the three R's separately. First, reducing waste. Stop using non-biodegradable waste like poly bags and replacing them by cloth bags or paper bags. That means reducing the harmful use of articles which are non-biodegradable like poly bags and replace them by cloth bags or paper bags. Promoting awareness amongst the human towards a judicious use of products so that it will reduce proportional generation of waste and it may help in saving our environment. To minimize use of resources with improved technology, which means with improved technology which aims at use of minimum resources, product durability has improved, hence purchasing items which will not affect the environment. For example, solar heater or other solar products which help in reducing the waste generated at source. We must use eco-friendly and biodegradable products. That means we must learn to use products which do not generate too much waste. That means eco-friendly or biodegradable products, we must use them. Using washable table napkins. So using washable table napkins instead of paper napkins could be another possibility of reducing the generation of waste. Now let us discuss about reusing, how the material or the products that we used, how we can reuse them. First one is converting old cloth into doormats, cushion cover, etc. So the old clothes must be converted into making dolls or making cushion cover or making doormats. Making new notebooks from unused pages of old notebooks. Using old tires, tin, can, glass bottles, etc. Fly ash should be used to make roads, bricks, etc. So some solid waste from the industry, that is fly ash, mainly used from or extracted from power plants, is used as cement substitute, and this fly ash is also used in making roads and filling up low-lying areas. Bricks are also used from fly ash. Now let us discuss about recycling of waste. How the waste must be recycled to reduce or to minimize the generation of waste. Recycling involves the collection of used and discarded materials, processing these materials and making them into new products. It involves recovery of usable products from waste, domestic waste, office waste, plastic, paper, scrap material, metals and textiles can be recycled. Bagasse, that is residue of sugarcane or the pulp of sugarcane, can be used for making paper or as a fuel. Coming towards the advantages of recycling, it helps to conserve the natural resources. That means recycling of waste helps to conserve the natural resources that otherwise would be used by manufacturers. It helps to reduce the pollution. It also helps to reduce the pollution that may result from disposal of various waste materials. There are two examples of recycling waste. The first one is paper recycling and the second one is car recycling. Paper recycling. Waste paper sometimes reused to make newspaper through a process called paper recycling. Many different products result from paper recycling. For instance, new computer paper and stationery result from recycling used chipboard or box board. It is also used in manufacturing such building materials as insulation, plasterboard or roofing. Car recycling. A car is crushed into a big steel cube when it becomes too old and is too damaged to be used anymore. A scrap processor is the machine which is used in this. Then the cube of steel is melted and made into other steel products. So these were the few points of the methods of reducing, reusing and recycling waste. Thank you for watching this video so patiently, and please do ask questions in YouTube or ask question in WhatsApp so that I understand that you are able to clear your concept and able to understand fully. Thank you so much. All the best. I remain.